Everyone, it's Mandy Mac. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Ipsy unbagging, unbagging. Anyways, I got my September Ipsy bag, so I want to show everyone what's in it. It's here. I'm gonna go inside. Ooh, it's black. I love black. Oh my god, it's adorable. Okay. Look at that. So there's what's in it, there's the makeup kit in it. It has little eyelashes, adorable. Mirror. For anyone who doesn't know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription that you get 5 products and it's pretty much personalized to what you like. And yeah, comes every month. So you get 5 free sample size products. Yeah, let's look at what Mandy got. By the way, first day of fall. Okay, so I'm filming this on Sunday, but today it's Sunday, first day of fall. How exciting! Like beanies, red lips, dark makeup, like, oh, I'm so excited. I'm a fall girl. Halloween hunt? Anyone? Yeah. Anyways, the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. Okay. There's your card. Of course, on the back, there is an Ipsy shop. I live in Canada. We don't have access to the Ipsy shop. It doesn't ship to us yet, so goodbye. Yeah, so inside, my first product is, ooh, can you see it reflected? Steve Laurent blush. Ooh, gonna open it. Cute little package. Wow, it's like so reflective. Don't expose my background. What are you doing? Ooh. So it is a blush. It's called Rosé All Day. Wine, anyone? Comes with a little mirror. Let's watch. Ooh. Okay, work. I'm excited. I'm excited to try that one. Okay, so that is that. Next, this is like, yeah. We have New Moisture Instant Fix. Ooh, hair products. Yay! Okay. Healthier Hair World You. It is by, you know what? I botched my Way one last time, so it's by this brand down there. Let's see what it smells like. It's supposed to lightweight leave-in protectant, detangles, hydrates, and tames your hair. My hair needs taming. It smells coconutty. I hate coconut, so, oh, okay, hat. We're not, you know, stop this. So that's that. Next one we have, ooh, Smashbox Lip Gloss in the color Babe Alert. Hi. And we're going to swatch. Wow, that's pretty. Funny thing is, it like pretty much goes with the blush. Love it. Then we have, ooh, I'm assuming an eyeshadow pigment. It is, oh, upside down, that's what it is. It is by Princess, Princess. And it is a pigment. Like an eyeshadow pigment in Pretty Petal. Okay. Oh, it has a seal. There goes that seal. So scared. Pressed pigments. Oh, you know what? Oh. So it comes protected. These pigments are always the messiest. But you know what? I'm gonna swatch it for you. if I can get it open. So I'm just gonna put a little bit out on my hand. Maybe just right there. Okay, a little bit came out. Ooh, it's pretty. Oh, you know what? That milled very, ooh. That was very, like the particles ground up perfectly. Okay, I see you, princess. Princess. No, I forever can't find where to look. And our last product is, I love Morphe. And I got a highlighter from Morphe. High impact highlighter. This is so exciting. So in Canada, we don't have Morphe, so we have to ship everything. So my video last week was my review of the my unboxing of a Morphe product because we have to ship everything. So this is so exciting. It is in their bag. Spark. I'm stoked. I'm wearing a... You know what? Do you ever hate when the packages do that? Like, all I want to do is get it open without ruining the package. And it doesn't want to work. Ooh, it's pretty. So there's no mirror, but it's just there. Back, Spark. Let's swatch. Ooh. Last spot on my hand. Oh, that's pretty. These are our products, guys. Definitely going to be reaching for that. And I like that it's compact because my other highlighters are huge. Like I have Jeffree Stars. I mean, I'm thankful that there's product, but anyways, once again, those are my 5 products. Here's the bag for September. I think it's adorable. It already has my cat's fur on it. How cute. No, that's embarrassing. Anyways, guys, it's fall. I'm excited. Get ready for October because I'm going to be throwing videos out there because it's my favorite month. Halloween, scary movies, cooking and baking food. So exciting. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, comment. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know if I talk too loud. Everyone says I talk loud. Anyways, guys, where's the gun show? Anyways, I will catch all of you in the next one. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.